What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show y'all kind of a general overview of a buzzbait. Some people call this a lunker lure, but I'm going to give y'all a general overview of how I use this lure to help me catch more largemouth bass. So first off, I apologize for the wind. It's real windy out, but we're still going to shoot this video. Now I just got a Strike King buzzbait. You can get these at Walmart, Bass Pro Shops. You can get these just about anywhere. So let me tie this on my rod and show y'all some tips. Alrighty, so I got this tied onto my my setup here, and they make a lot of different types of buzzbaits, but this one has like a swivel on it, and that's just the one I'm going to be using today. So if you look at the end of this buzzbait, it has a little spot where you can put like a trailer. And you don't have to put a trailer on buzzbaits. I've caught fish without trailers on my buzzbaits, but for the sake of this video, we are going to put a trailer on this buzzbait. So for a trailer, I'm going to be using a creature bait made by Grandpa Jeff's Lures. It's pretty much just a knockoff bandito bug, and I'm going to cut it down to the right size. So as you can see here, I got a trailer on this buzzbait. Now, why do you want to put a trailer? It's not 100% needed, but it does add some good colors, some good movement, and most importantly, it helps the bass eat the hook easier. Because the way bass eat, they kind of just suck things. You know, you can see a bass open his mouth and they kind of suck the bait in. And this gives some surface for the bass to suck. A bass can't just eat. It's harder for a bass just to eat a hook fast when it's, you know, just the hook. You put a trailer on there, they can eat it a lot easier, and you can get better hookup ratios. So now I'm going to show y'all how I like to use this on the water. So let's talk about how you retrieve one of these buzzbaits. So if you've never used a buzzbait before, you got to retrieve it a little weird. You got to immediately start retrieving. It's going to make a little clicking noise, and you just want to retrieve. You don't let this sink. You're just going to kind of pull it across the surface of the water, just like this. Look at my rod tip. I keep it up, you know, and then I can lower it when it gets closer, but I'm trying to keep that buzzbait on the surface, just like this. And the fish, what they're going to see a flash, they're going to hear commotion, and they'll sometimes either sneak right behind it and bite the bait, or just explode right up. So one of the number one ways I like to cast this, I like to cast my buzzbaits parallel to structure or parallel to the shore. So just like that, I like to keep it parallel. You can cast way out there, but I prefer to go parallel. I've caught more fish casting parallel, and I've definitely caught fish, you know, casting way out there, but parallel to shore and along structure normally works out better for me. So y'all, that is just a general introduction on how to use a buzzbait and kind of what a buzzbait looks in the water. I hope y'all found this video helpful, and have a